So today's lesson is going to be on sea breezes. So if you remember back to the Hadisel lesson, we know air is going to move from high pressure to low pressure. We also know if we heat an air, it's going to expand and become less dense. We're also now going to introduce what's happening to the temperature at different surfaces. So you can see here, we're saying our ground surface temperature responds rapidly, whereas the sea, it's negligible. If you've ever been to the beach on your holiday, you take your flip-flops off, you put your feet on the sand, boiling hot, so you run to the sea to cool your feet off. So we have our two columns of air, and we see at Z, we've got a pressure of 900 millibars. Our sun's rays are hitting the surface and warming, due to the heating the surface here, are warming up the air, which therefore our surface pressure is going to start to fall here, whereas it's maintaining its pressure here over the sea. So as that warm air heats and expands, it's going to start to rise. So you can see with that thermal expansion, our original 900 millibars here at Z is no longer the same. Our pressure is going to be increased here over our surface, so it's got greater than 900 millibars, and our actual 900 millibar is higher. So we've got an area of high pressure now, low pressure, high pressure, low pressure. So our air is going to start to flow from B to A. As it does, it's then going to cool and start to sink and become more dense to our area of high pressure, which is then going to flow inland to our area of low pressure. And this is where we get our cool air flowing from sea to land. And that is the basic principle of a sea breeze. We can take this and apply it to our monsoons. So a later lesson we'll look at the monsoons, but effectively all that is a sea breeze on a seasonal basis.